So you just mentioned that you look at issues in a certain way. Now,
देश के नेता विपक्ष माननीय सांसद राहुल गांधी अमेरिका दौरे पर हैं। राहुल गांधी नेता विपक्ष बनने के बाद पहली बार अमेरिका दौरे पर गए हैं। माननीय राहुल गांधी वाशिंगटन डीसी में रहेंगे। भारतीय समुदाय के लोगों को बांटकर कई महत्वपूर्ण बैठकों में हिस्सा लेंगे। वहीं नेता विपक्ष माननीय राहुल गांधी ने टेक्सास यूनिवर्सिटी में छात्रों के साथ संवाद किया। आज माननीय राहुल गांधी ने डलास यूएसए में प्रवासी भारतीय समुदाय के लोगों को संबोधित किया।
so you just mentioned that you look at issues in a certain way. Now, thinking about your career as a politician, the first time you got elected and this time, has there been a change in the way you look at these issues and your mind thinks differently about how to go about them?
Quite differently. Now, I'm coming to the conclusion that listening is much more important than speaking, right? And listening doesn't just mean that I come there and I listen to you. That's not listening. That somebody you're talking to me and I'm looking at you and I'm hearing what you're saying, but I'm not listening. Listening is a completely different thing. Listening is putting myself in your position. So if you're a farmer, going into the person's life, going into the person's day-to-day life, and then understanding what he's trying to tell you. So listening is fundamental. And then understanding the deeper dynamics. So you then are not just swimming around on the surface, you're raising fundamental issues, and you don't go raising every single issue. You focus clearly and you're like, okay, this is important, I got to raise this. This is something important, I got to fight for this. This is something important, I got to fight. So you choose your battles much more carefully.
I think you hit it on the head, that prioritization.
So, very good definition of political strategy or business strategy. Understand clearly what you don't want to do. So don't sit there doing 50, 100 different things. Understand clearly जो नहीं करना है उसको पहले समझो, पहले कर दो. And then उसमें से 3-4 चीजें निकलेंगी. And then that's what you got to focus on.
Thank you, Sam. I'd like to welcome everybody, starting with Sam Pitroda ji, Aarti Krishna ji, Mohinder Singh ji, George Abraham ji, Pradeep Samla ji, Bhullar ji, Gurdev Haier ji, leaders on the dais, and dear members of IOC, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome all of you here and wish you happy Onam and happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I was listening to Mohinder ji's speech and he was describing in detail what the job of the leader of the opposition is. He said, opposing the government in parliament. He said, not letting them run a dictatorship. And he gave a list of 3 or 4 things that define what a leader of opposition is supposed to do. This is true. One can say that those are all elements. Now finally, I'm speaking to people in Dallas. And who are you? You are people who have come from India. And the values that I have been describing, values of the Constitution, values of respect, values of humility, you carry them inside your heart. You have them in your blood. So when you came to this country, you did not come with arrogance. You came with humility. You did not come with hatred. You came with love and affection. And you did not come with disrespect, saying that, we are come to America and who are these people? We'll show them. No, you came with respect. So inside your heart is respect, is love, humility. And you are our ambassadors in one way. You're the bridge between these two unions. United States of America and Union of States, which is written in our Constitution. And so you have a very important role. Because the relationship between these two unions is going to determine the future of both these unions. The United States needs India, and India needs the United States. It's a fact. We cannot get away from it. So you have a very important role of being the bridge between your old home and your new home. Right? And in my view, you should travel freely between these two homes, and you should bring the idea of India to the United States and the ideas of the United States to India. Sam said that I had promised that I will go to Dallas. And it's true. But I would like to say that our trip was supposed to be longer, and we were supposed to go to New York, Washington, California, and Texas, and Chicago. And then we had to shorten the trip. And so I told Sam, look, I have promised the people of Dallas, so we have to go to Dallas. And so we included Dallas in our itinerary. And I think it was a very good idea. 100%. We'll come to Chicago. Love you. And we included Dallas. And I think it was a very good idea because Dallas is thriving. Texas is thriving. A lot of technology is moving here. And I can see that all of you are doing a tremendous job in raising the flag, raising the Indian flag here. So I'd like to thank you. And I'd like to also tell you that it's important that the ideas you carry of humility, of affection, of respect, you spread them between in our community here and also among the people of India. Thank you. Namaskar.
Wow, what an inspirational speech, right? What was your take-home point? There was three main things that he told us to keep and take home point. What is it? 3 things. Love, respect, and humility. So that's our take-home point. And next, I would like to invite